Hello guys, it's Alice. 皆さんこんにちは、アリスです。今日はですね、I came to the Student Union Center. Today we have some event about vintage clothes. I know you guys like thrifting, so I will show you guys. And we have special guest. It's Rachel.
Yeah, I'm Rachel.
What are you studying?
I'm studying TESOL and Korean.
Okay, we met each other in Welcome Week. Yeah, she's really funny and cute. So maybe she'll come up my video often. Okay, alright, so guys, enjoy. Bye.
I wanna go to parties. I also want good grades. I wanna finish high school. Scared of making my mistake. Wish for you to.
How much is it? Is it
£15.
15 pounds?
It's pretty good.
I like this one. I wanted to buy coat, so this one is good as well. Oh my gosh. So excited.
If it is. You know all about the red and blue. I don't know myself what I would do somehow. Ooh, I could be so very rare.
Hi.
All my own decisions. If you told me how. Now you know the ugly thing, the bittersweetness in this ring. From how I wanted you that time, baby. After I said no, and I thought that I was sure.
There's the hand again.
I want to try this one. Which one is? I like this color.
I prefer that colour as well.
Yeah.
It's more, what's the word? Cool tone.
I bring that one over. It's gone.
Actually, I saw a girl who was wearing the same.
She's wearing that one.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. That one is cute as well. It's like gorilla.
It just yeah, no, it was like gorilla. If it was half like white, half black.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, you look cute. You look cute. You look nice. You look nice.
Oh, looks like a celebrity. Yeah.
Look at it. Oh, fancy.
See. Oh, it's fluffy, fluffy.
I look like
Yeah,
jackets.
you look really nice when you wear fluffy one.
I don't really like this one. I think it would look nicer if it was more like just.
You can change.
I am. I might get it. Should I try it on?
Got stains. Oh. No.
Thank you for telling me that. I would have noticed.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's Harry Street. It's cute.
So
What is your favorite second-hand shop in Grassa?
There's one called it's called Hollywood Exports, and that's the only one I know quite well. I'm like
Oh,
where?
that's nice. It's really nice.めっちゃいいじゃん。It's so expensive.
It is expensive, you know.
いいよ、絶対買うべきだよ。それめっちゃ可愛いよ。